Greetings, Julius Ellis here from Fit Marketer, and I'm here today with another video. And today, this video is a 5-minute early morning routine. This you can do just as you jump out of bed, and this is just some plank variation, and we will be working on the core, teach it to hold tension and strengthen it at the same time, and also the anterior and posterior chain. So we will do high plank, low plank, side planks, and one static, which is the one dynamic I should say, which is plank with leg raise, and finish off with reverse plank. So this routine will help you to keep fresh throughout the day, so you won't feel lazy and sluggish throughout the day. And this routine will, as I tell you, strengthen the core and the posterior and anterior chain. So let's get right into it.
And here we have the high plank, and this is just holding a regular push-up position for the time, and here we are holding it for 45 seconds. And you need to make sure that your elbows are locked, your knees locked, you're in a straight line from your shoulder to your heels, and make sure that core is tight and engaged. And we'll be resting for 15 seconds, and then we'll get right into the other exercise, which will be the regular plank or low plank. And here we have the good old plank. You can call it low plank, but it is a regular plank. And with this exercise, you want to make sure that your shoulders are engaged, tightly locked, and your core is engaged and tightly locked, knees locked, and you're in a straight line from your shoulders to your heels, maintaining the core tension, because this exercise is very powerful to strengthen the core and maintaining core tension and keep that posterior chain balanced. So this is the plank. Now we have 15-second rest period, and then we will get into the other exercise, which will be the side planks. And here we have the side planks, and in this exercise we're working on the obliques, internal and external obliques. That's the side of your abs. And this exercise is very great. As I tell you, this routine works on the posterior and anterior chain. So the side plank is very powerful for the obliques. So when you're doing those lateral movements, you will have that core tension and strength in it. Yeah, rest again for 15 seconds, and then we take it to the other side plank. So we do both sides to maintain that structural balance, and we do 45 seconds on both sides. While holding this position, you want to make sure that your elbows is not under pressure and your shoulder is in the right position. And you make sure you're feeling it in your oblique, so you will know if you're holding the right position. This is the side plank, very powerful for the obliques to maintain that core tension. 15 seconds of rest, and then we're going to get into our 1
dynamic movement that we have in this routine, and that will be plank with leg raise. This is the plank with leg raise, and this is a bit different because this is a dynamic movement, and this will help you strengthen your lower back and the lower abs simultaneously because of the flexion, the spinal flexion that you get with the leg raise. So this is a great exercise to add in to the plank variations. I love it. And you can see it's the same position as the lower plank, where you maintain that core tension right through the movement and make sure your elbows and your shoulders are locked in the right position. And now we have 15 seconds rest period again, and then we're gonna get into our final exercise, and this exercise is the reverse plank. And the final exercise we have is the reverse plank, and this exercise is the opposite of the regular plank, which means it works the antagonist or the opposing muscles, and that will create a great structural balance, which will reduce your risk of injury. So maintaining this position, as you see, my shoulders are locked, my elbows are locked, my knees are locked, and I'm in a straight line from my shoulder to my heels, maintaining that tension in the torso and the lower back. Also, this exercises builds your bicep. There you have it. 5-minute home workout. Yeah, that's the 5-minute home plank workout, and that workout is a very powerful workout, as simple as it looks. The planks strengthen the core and also teaches the core to hold tension. You know what I mean? So with that, that's a good foundation for all body weight exercises, because the core is the center of your mass. And the core, with every exercise we do, the core is involved indirectly. Okay? So it's always great to teach the core to hold that tension and strengthen the core. And this routine also strengthens the posterior and anterior chains, respectively. And this routine will keep you feeling energized throughout the whole day. You do this as you wake, and you feel energized throughout the whole day. No lactic acid, no soaring, just feeling good for the rest of the day. And because it's mostly static exercise, this will increases your concentration very much too. So if you like the video, just leave a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe. Let me know what you think about the video, and I will see you again next week. This is your boy Julius Ellis from Fit Marketer, saying blessed love to you all, and give thanks for watching this video. Peace out.